Just a quick little demo on how to do the fold for the explosion insert here. And what we're going to do, we're just going to fold in half one way. Now you can use your bone folder, but don't be too rough because paper is not as robust as cardstock. It doesn't need so much pressure. Just make up the edges carefully. So we've done those two folds and they're both mountain folds, and now we are going to turn it over and fold it on the diagonal just once. Okay, so we have got, I folded that the wrong way. Fold that way. There we go. And then you should be able to just fold it into position like that and give it a light burnish. And we're going to pop this into our card to make the explosion part.